I've decided I'm gonna optimize my garage to become a moto garage where everything is nicely organized for motorcycles. Let's see if it's gonna work out. It's hard to organize when you have so much crap, so I'm gonna get rid of a bunch. Look at this mess. What the hell am I gonna do with all this stuff? Trash. Sometimes I'm really happy I didn't buy a Ferrari. Slowly it's getting built. The right side shelf is done. There'll be tools over there. It's gonna be open area. And then I'm gonna have another shelf over here. This is gonna be the end of part 1 of this video series. The wall is getting finished. As you can see, a lot of the stuff from that side disappeared and has been semi-organized over here. And why I'm going to make this the end of video 1 is because this is a long process. The video is gonna get too long and people will not watch it. So there will be doors over here, so this mess you're not gonna see. So that's gonna be in part 2. I'm gonna install the doors. Actually today I already bought the materials. So there's gonna be a door over there, a door over there. The top side is gonna be open, so hopefully we're not gonna have a big mess over there. As you can see, this is a moto wall. So there will be motorcycle repairs done over here, all kinds of stuff. And then even the tools are specifically organized that way. As you can see, I have fork tools over there. I have clutch tool over there. I don't know why I have a level, but I have a bunch of wrenches and stuff like that. There will be bolts and nuts and all the stuff that I need over here for it. And also that organizer will be moved in part 2 of the video over here. The central piece is this American flag that has been donated to the channel by a very, very nice kid. Really appreciate it. It definitely made my wall. Also in part 2, the mess of the table will disappear and there will be drawers that I will be installing right here at the bottom of the table. Drawers that you could pull out and then you could get tools and everything out of them. And also there will be storage underneath where all my gear is gonna go and all the other stuff from gas cans to vacuum cleaner to compressor to all the things that I need to be able to make it work. And of course all this has been built with the mighty camper slash truck slash sedan slash people carrier, the Toyota Yaris. For some strange reason 2 feet by 8 feet sheets fit in here with no problem whatsoever. So everything that I need to be able to build this was done. Once this part is going to be finished, then we're going to continue on that side of the wall, and there's going to be more storage on that side. All that ugly shelves and all that craziness will disappear, including that table. And then here on this side, in part 3 of the video, we're going to have the landscaping tools. So all that we need, the ramps for the car, the landscaping tools, everything is going to be organized on this side, and this will disappear. So this is an eyesore. This has to go. There is storage above the garage door, so I'm going to move all the stuff over there, and then this will disappear. So by the end of this video, after part 1, 2, and 3 are finished, you're going to have a very, very nice long video with everything the way that it was built. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you think at the bottom of this video. Remember, the mess is not going to be like this. I had to move it from there to here, and there will be doors, so you're not going to see it. Thanks for watching.